Welcome to the video help series for the Energy Rating Product Registration System. In this video, we are going to show you the public registration database, how to search for a product in the database, and how to use the cost calculator. We begin by logging on to www.energyrating.gov.au. We then select the registration database link in the center of the page. We are now on the public registration database. This is a public version of the registration system and contains details on all registered products under the GEMS Act. This includes information on energy efficiency and star ratings for electrical appliances to help members of the public choose an energy efficient product. To begin our search, we select a product from the drop-down menu provided and then select Search. Alternatively, we can select the icon at the top left-hand side of the page to expand a list of all the products contained in the system. We then select the product of our choice from the list. The search results for our chosen product then appear on the screen. The columns that will appear vary depending on the product that has been chosen. If we want to find explanations for the column headings, we simply select the Help on Headings link at the top of the page. A pop-up page appears with definitions of each column heading. For some products, a detailed data dictionary is also available. This is useful if we are using the downloadable CSV files to look at product data. To download the data dictionary, we select the Data Dictionary link at the top of the page next to the Help on Headings link. The file will then download to our computer. We return to our search results and we can scroll down and across to see more details. When we scroll to the top far right of the page, we can see 3 dots. We can select the 3 dots to add more or less fields to our search results. If we scroll down to the bottom of the screen, we can see there are multiple pages of results. We select the arrows to navigate back and forth through the search results. We can increase the number of rows on each page by selecting a number from the drop-down menu and selecting the Go button. We have the option of downloading our search results in a CSV file. We simply select Download CSV, and the results of our search are downloaded to our computer in a CSV file. On the left-hand side of the page, there is an option called Cost Calculator. We can use the cost calculator to approximate how much the product will cost to run based on the information provided in the database. Please note that this is only available for some products. To access the cost calculator, we select the cost calculator link from the drop-down menu on the left-hand side. In the electricity cost field, we enter the cost of our electricity from our most recent electricity bill in cents per kilowatt hours. In the Show Energy Costs field, we enter the number of years we wish to show the energy costs of running this product. Some products will have specific fields that need to be completed, so we would then fill them in if required. We then select the Recalculate Costs button. The page reloads, and we can see that the dollar values under the Calculator Result column have been updated to reflect the parameters of our calculation. We can conduct either a basic or an advanced search when using the public registration database. To conduct a basic search, we select Basic Search from the drop-down menu on the left-hand side. In the Brand Name field, we enter the brand of the product to search by brand. We can also select a brand from the drop-down menu that will automatically appear when we click on the text box. In the Model Name Number field, we enter part or all of the product's model name or number to search by the model name or model number. The other search fields available will vary depending on the product chosen. Once we've finished entering our information into the search fields, we select the Search button. The page then reloads with our search results. The Advanced Search tab allows us to add more detailed parameters to our search, depending on the product type we have chosen. We select Add to add a new parameter and then select the relevant option from the drop-down menu provided and provide the details requested. We select Remove to remove a particular parameter from the search. Once we've entered all of the parameters, we select Search to run the search. If we want to remove all parameters, we select the Reset button. And that is how you use the public registration database. For further assistance with using the registration system, select the Help tab at the top of any page to go to our Handy Help section, where you can find more videos and step-by-step guides to help you navigate any aspect of the system. If you cannot find an answer to your question, why not send us an email? Simply select the Contact Us tab at the top of any page and fill in the form. The more details you provide, the more we'll be able to help you, so please include all relevant details in your email, including any attachments that might be useful.